Okay, so this is going to be a quick and dirty one because I've got other more important things to be doing. Common problem people keep coming out with. They will say things like, my car is more cheaper than yours, or my car is more faster than yours. This is wrong. You can't say these things. So this comes down to a thing called comparatives. And you can't do two comparatives together. So more is a comparative to something else. Yeah. The official line is short form comparatives. You can't say anything before it. So anything that ends in ER or ends in EST. So tall, tallest, fast, fastest. Long form comparatives, things like beautiful, expensive. You can put the word more before it. So I can say, my car is more expensive than yours, and there goes a motorbike.
Eventually.
I swear, there are people monitoring me. Every time I turn on this camera, there's nothing but noise in this place. So, where was I? With long form versions, such as expensive, beautiful, whatever, you can say more. So I can say, my car was more expensive than yours. My car is more beautiful than yours. Both those statements are wrong because it's a Fiat Panda, so it's neither of those things. When we're talking about things that end in ER, the only thing you can put before it is much. So I could say, I am much taller than you. I don't know, Burj Khalifa is much taller than any other building in the city. So just remember that wee thing. If the word that you're going to say can end in ER, you can put much before it, but you can't say more. And as a special note for someone in particular who might be watching this video, never use the word pretty before it either. You know who you are. Oh, and one last thing before I disappear. Better and worse. You can say that something is much better or much worse, but you can't say something is more better or more worse. That also is wrong. Anyways, this video has made no sense to me as I'm saying it, so if it's going to make any sense to you, well, good luck to that. But if nothing else, at least I'm keeping up my regime of 2 videos a week. So I'm off to do something more important than this. Bye.